Do you love sloppy joes? Do you love sweet potatoes? If the answer to both questions is yes, then you'll get the biggest kick out of this one skillet sweet potato sloppy joes. It's teeming with sweet, savory, and smoky flavors like your taste buds are attending a barbecue full of childhood nostalgia and enjoying every single condiment in attendance. Plus, our skillet includes that delightful squish from the sweet potatoes. I like that the sweet potato adds a carb source so that you don't need a bun, but you can easily bun it up if that's your preference. All you need is some basic ingredients, one large skillet, and about 30 minutes of time. I see this easy dinner recipe as being perfect for a weekly meal prep, but it comes together fast enough to whip up any day after work. Get the link in the description below or head to theroastedroot.com for more inspiration.